Hello and welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, what is wrong with you? Right. Okay, so today I'm digging around back again through these Dr. Dobbs journals, and I found some really interesting assembly language stuff that wasn't that's still applicable to assembly language, modern assembly language today. So recently, I have been trying to work on some RISC-V processor assembly language and teaching myself that and working my way through it. And one of the things I found in the old journals was this article by Webb Simpson about is your assembly language program well structured? Now, this actually worked out to be it actually fixed one of my problems that I had with an assembly language program that I was running on a RISC-V processor. And the problem that I was having was that it wasn't, the jumps were not working out well. In other words, it was not a well-structured assembly language program. So reading through this, and it's really quite a practical little thing. All you need is you print out your program listing and you get two colored pens or pencils, and then you just use them to connect the branches, jumps, skips, transfers, instructions, whatever, to the destination of the transfers. And then you just make sure that the subroutine always returns to where it's supposed to, and that you've not got anything abnormal or funky going on, Now, they show you this, and obviously they don't have, it's not in color, but they show you this here in this assembly program by just saying, okay, there's a jump here to here, there's an exit that jumps down here to exit, there's this no cry 2 which jumps down to here, this also jumps down to here, and this goes to halt, and then there is one jump back to the loop. And basically you can just look therefore at the lines that you're drawing to see that it's well structured. So they're saying this program is well structured. The only crossing of a single red solid line by a green broken line is outbound and thus okay. So it's basically going back to the start. So they go through some more examples of how it should look and why it would be well structured and why it would not be well structured. I won't go through into all the details here, but honestly, this little 2 pages of article, it's still relevant today. It's if you're writing assembly language programming in an ARM or a RISC processor, this is still a practical way of checking that your program is well structured. So I just thought I'd do that one as just a quick video today. If you are doing some assembly language programming, go to Internet Archive, find the Dr. Dobbs Journal, Volume 3, and have a read. There's some interesting stuff way back in the day. Right. Thanks again for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you soon.